Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. I just wanted to go through quickly what to look forward to in 2023. Yeah, I know we're not even to December yet, but December's going to be busy. I'm not going to have a whole lot of time, you know, that kind of thing. So, on or about the 11th and the 12th, I expect to be getting in a new kit. I'm not going to disclose the company name yet because I agreed to collab with them, and they're coming out with a new kit, and I agreed to do 2 videos, an unboxing and later on a tutorial for them with the kit. So I'm estimating I'll get it around the 11th or 12th, maybe a little later, so whenever that comes in. And then same thing with Bargain Bead Box. I am continuing my subscription to that for the next 6 months. It just renewed in November, and probably the rest of next year. I really love that subscription kit. It's one of the few I have loved in the past. So anyway, then also on the 12th, I'm trying to rejoin a Joy of Blue collab hosted by Crafting and Relaxing Sarah on both my channels, and that's just a collab where we can make anything using blue. The other channel, I'm going to try and do cards or papercraft stuff. And this channel, of course, I'll be doing jewelry. So that'll probably be finished project shares. Then on the 13th, hashtag Be Creative, Terry at the Tapping Flamingo is continuing that next year. I don't know what the themes are yet for next year, but usually we just use hashtag Be Creative and whatever the theme is for those that want to play along. There's no set time, just sometime on the 13th. And I am going to try and participate most months on both channels. It depends on what the themes are and whether I think I can come up with anything creative for that theme in jewelry making for this channel. The 15th, I'm continuing Passion for Purple, hosted by Metal Scrappin' Chick. That I don't know if that's going to be a closed collab or an open one yet. Kim was thinking about that. But whatever she changes it to or keeps it as, I'll participate, because purple's not my favorite color, but I'm learning to love it more and more, and I really enjoy making purple jewelry. So anyway, I have a lot of purple stuff. The 18th is my own collab. We are continuing it. We have brand new themes, color schemes and themes for 2023, and there are about 10 of us. I think it's the same lineup except one had to, unfortunately had to drop out for her own reasons. Anyway, and then towards the end of the month, around the 21st each month, I hope to have the tutorial up for that new box. The last Thursday of each month, I'm aiming to have jewelry shares for the, if I get it that month, the Soft Flex Design Kit, which I didn't say anything about unboxing because that one is not a subscription. So it depends on if I get it that month, but if I do, I'll fit in an unboxing somewhere according to their time frame when you're allowed to. But definitely I'll have makes with it. And then the last Friday of the month, I plan on showing all jewelry made from Bargain Bead Box. It's possible I'll throw in a tutorial, small tutorial here and there, or small other just because jewelry making. But between this channel and my other channel, I have a lot going on. So I don't know if I can fit anything more in, quite honestly, other than the occasional, oh, I really feel like making this and these beads are laying out on my desk kind of thing. So we'll see. I hope you will join me in 2023 and yeah, come back and see what I have to offer from a jewelry making perspective. I look forward to seeing you, and please leave me comments and things. I love to hear your comments. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in, well, soon and in December and hopefully in 2023. Bye for now.